clientèle régulière détenteur de la carte Kestrel Flyer. Monsieur Patten est le commandant sur ce vol. Cet Airbus 340 porte le nom du Parakit. Tout appareil électronique portatif peut être utilisé pendant toutes les phases du vol en mode avion avant le départ. Les appareils électroniques n'étant pas équipés du mode avion doivent rester en position éteinte pendant la durée du vol. Les appareils tels que les ordinateurs portables doivent être rangés pour le décollage et l'atterrissage. Ils peuvent être utilisés avant le décollage ou en vol en mode Wi-Fi et Bluetooth éteint. Les téléphones portables peuvent être utilisés avant la fermeture des portes cabines, pendant le plein de carburant et après l'atterrissage. Nous vous informons que ce vol est non fumeur. L'utilisation de cigarettes, cigares ou pipes électroniques n'est pas autorisée à bord. Nous vous demandons toute votre attention lors des démonstrations concernant votre sécurité sur ce vol. Mauritius et son équipage vous souhaitent un vol agréable en leur compagnie, sous la supervision de M. Jean-Paul Montocchio, votre chef de cabine principal. Équipage, prenez position en cabine, merci.
Cabin crew to your doors, on your slides, cross-check and report.
Welcome on board. Thank you for flying Air Mauritius. Please give us your full attention as we go through the safety procedures on board this aircraft. We will appreciate if you have another look, even if you happen to be a regular customer.
Your hand luggage must be stowed securely either in the overhead racks or under the seat in front of you. Aisles, exits and bulkhead areas must be kept clear. Mobile phones must not be used in flight at any time unless switched to flight mode. For takeoff and landing, and when the fasten seatbelt sign is on, make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. This is done by inserting the metal fitting into the buckle and pulling the loose end for a secure and tight fit. To release the seatbelt, simply lift the metal flap. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened anytime the sign is on. Even if the sign is off, you should keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected turbulence. International regulations require all passengers to comply with the pictorial symbols and lighted signs located throughout the cabin, as well as any cabin crew members' instructions. Smoking is not allowed on any Air Mauritius flight, including the lavatories. Tampering or disabling a lavatory smoke detector is a criminal offense. Sleeping on the cabin floor is not permitted. There are 8 exits on this aircraft: forward, mid and aft. Each exit is equipped with a detachable slide. Those located forward of the wings and those located at the rear can be used as rafts. The slides inflate automatically when the doors are opened. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, in the event of a power loss or reduced visibility, the floor-mounted luminescent strips will lead you to the exits. Take a moment to locate the exits closest to you. Remember, they can be behind you. To open the exit, lift the handle as shown. It is unlikely, however, in the event of a sudden drop in the cabin pressure, oxygen masks will fall from the unit above your head. Activate the flow of oxygen by pulling the mask towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth, adjust the elastic bands for a correct fit, and breathe normally. And be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, your life jacket is located under or beside your seat. When instructed, get hold of the life jacket, remove it from the pouch, and slip it over the head. Take hold of the tape, which is passed behind the back and buckled in front. Use the loose end to tighten into position. As you leave the aircraft, pull on the
Cabin crew, stand by for manual demonstration.
goggles to inflate the jacket. The life jacket inflation can be adjusted by means of the mouthpieces. There is a light and a whistle for attracting attention. For small children, we can...
Ladies and gentlemen, we request your full attention whilst we focus on your safety during this flight. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs. They are located forward, mid and after the cabin. Luminescent strips on the floor will guide you towards these exits. Your seatbelt is to be fastened like this and unfastened like this. In the event of a fall in the cabin pressure, oxygen mask will drop automatically in front of you as demonstrated. Pull one mask down to release the flow of oxygen, cover your nose and mouth and breathe normally. A life jacket is located under your seat or under the central armrest. In case of emergency and when instructed by the cabin crew, it should be worn as demonstrated. Take hold of a tape, pass it around your waist, clip it in front and tighten. Do not inflate your life jacket inside the aircraft. To inflate the jacket, pull on the red toggles sharply downward. Should it be necessary, the jacket can be inflated by blowing into the mouthpieces. To keep in contact, a whistle and a light are provided. Baby cots and infant life jackets are carried for the safety of small children. Should an evacuation be required, leave all hand luggage and remove high heel shoes. Please read the safety instructions card placed in the seat pocket in front of you. Thank you. Mesdames, Messieurs, nous vous demandons toute votre attention lors des démonstrations concernant votre sécurité sur ce vol. Les issues de secours se situent à l'avant, au milieu et à l'arrière de la cabine. Elles sont signalées par des panneaux exit. Un marquage lumineux au sol vous indiquera le cheminement vers ces issues. Votre ceinture s'attache et se détache de cette façon. En cas de dépressurisation de la cabine, des masques à oxygène, comme ceux démontrés, tomberont automatiquement devant vous. Tirez sur un masque pour libérer l'oxygène, placez-le sur votre nez, votre bouche et respirez normalement. Un gilet de sauvetage se trouve sous votre siège ou sous votre accoudoir central. En cas de nécessité, sur les instructions du personnel de bord, enfilez le gilet par la tête comme démontré. Passez la sangle autour de votre taille, bouclez-la à l'avant et ajustez. Ne gonflez pas votre gilet avant d'avoir quitté l'appareil. Pour faire gonfler le gilet, tirez sur les manettes rouges. Le gilet peut être également gonflé à l'aide des embouts prévus à cet effet. La lampe s'allume automatiquement dans l'eau et le sifflet permet d'attirer l'attention. Il y a des gilets et des berceaux pneumatiques pour enfants en bas âge. En cas d'évacuation, laissez les bagages à main et enlevez vos chaussures à talons hauts.
cabin nav will be in preparations for takeoff. Should you require a reading level switch is located in your armrest. Thank you. Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à notre prochain décollage. Les lumières en cabine seront tamisées. Vous trouverez le bouton d'arme de lecture dans votre accoudoir. Merci.
Sir, are you fastened, please? Seatbelt.
Merci, merci. S'asseoir. C'est bon?
Group is visited takeoff in 9 minutes.